Welcome to Mad TV. Let's take a look at the cast that's made you laugh for so many weeks now. First up, we've got a woman known as the Van Comb Lady on the show. The big question is, will she get a film deal from that character? You know what? Nicole Sullivan! Next up, we've got a 6'2" vegetarian out of South Carolina. He doubles as my roommate. Let's all say howdy to Orlando Jones! Next up, we've got an improv comedian out of Detroit Rock City. You want a great actress? I've got the horse right here. Her name is Mary And speaking of sheer, here's sheer energy. And I'm not talking about pantyhose. I'm talking about the voluptuous Deborah Wilson! That's my baby. And now it's time to say a prayer for a couple of cats who couldn't run as fast as I could. Let's hear it for two guys named David Herman and Phil Lamar. And now let's meet a guy who makes up for his incredible lack of talent with great bone structure and a rocked-out ass. Let's meet Brian Callen!
How you doing?
And of course, what would a sketch comedy show be without the fat guy? That's me, your friend and mine, Artie Love! We've got a great show for you tonight, and it includes Claudia Schiffer and the lovely Kim Coles, so stick around! All right.